Ayurveda classified ashwagandha under Brahmaniya and Balya drugs, which means nourishing and strengthening the body. Ashwagandha is one such drug which always gains attention from medical researchers. Till now, researchers proved the effect of ashwagandha on hypertension, fatty liver, post-chemotherapy, infertility, thyroid dysfunction, stress, anxiety, and so on. Ayurveda used ashwagandha in various formulations stating as rasayana. Rasayana is a broad spectrum word and has different meaning. One such meaning is rejuvenating, that is, totally acting as anti-aging. Does it really help as anti-aging? Well, theories of biochemistry were proposed regarding aging. Theory proposed by Harman postulated that the action of free radicals has greater impact on aging. This video is a compilation of such research works done on ashwagandha as anti-aging. Before knowing about ashwagandha, it is important to know about free radical theory. Biochemistry explained that the components of cell like mitochondria is involved in energy production, that is ATP production by mechanism known as electron transport chain, oxidative phosphorylation, and etc. During ATP production, unpaired electrons are released and are known as free radicals or reactive oxygen species, shortly known as ROS. These are released as a part of physiological function, that is during ATP generation, but also as a result of oxidation stress due to adverse effect of tobacco, alcohol, lifestyle, pollution, poor nutrition, etc. Free radicals tend to gain electrons from other normal cells such a way making enormous amount of free radicals in a tissue and an organ. Then, how these free radicals cause aging? According to theories of aging, in 1950s, Harman proposed the free radical theory of aging, which postulated that the production of intercellular reactive oxygen species and its deleting effects on various cellular components, which are the major determinant of lifespan. Coming to effect of free radicals or ROS, in electron transport chain, the unpaired electrons are passed through a series of proteins via oxidation reduction reactions. As free radicals are tend to gain electrons from paired one, when these unpaired electrons gain electrons from mitochondrial DNA, this leads to DNA mutation of mitochondria, that is, change in structure of DNA, which may further leads to cancer, premature aging, skin diseases, etc. If mitochondrial DNA structure is destroyed, then cellular activity will be reduced, later on giving us cellular death, that is apoptosis or programmed cell death. Hence, mitochondrial mutations to be the initiating and primary event in the aging process. Now, let's see the role of ashwagandha in this mechanism. It has been postulated that treatments that reverse injuries done by reactive oxygen species or free radicals may be acting through mechanisms that scavenge these species as antioxidants. The normal cell is equipped with a variety of defense mechanisms to scavenge these free radicals. The cell also contains non-enzymatic ROS scavengers such as ascorbate, flavonoids, carotenoids, glutathione. These are known as antioxidants, which leads to inactivation or damaging reactive oxygen species. It is fascinating but true that ashwagandha plant also has reported to contain several alkaloids, retinoids, a few flavonoids, and reducing sugars besides rich in iron. The roots, leaves, and fruits of these plants have high antioxidant potential. The involvement of very complex chemistry of oxidation and antioxidation processes clearly suggests that a single testing method is inconclusive to gain comprehensive picture of antioxidant potential of given herb. Therefore, multi-testing method approach were done. It is not surprising to know that ashwagandha is being under clinical trial for treatment of pandemic due to corona. Even with broad spectrum action, ashwagandha has its own limitations and it can't be used for longer duration, which is still an area of research in modern science, but Ayurveda gives its limitations based on action, its rasa, virya, vipaka, etc. on our body. To compile this work, antioxidants are necessary to reduce free radicals and to reduce ROS and its damages such that delaying the pathogenesis of premature aging, cancer, skin diseases, etc. The ashwagandha helps in reducing such damage by its antioxidant, anti-stress, anti-inflammatory, immunomodulatory and other properties. All these pleiotropic and adaptogenic effects of properties make us to say it's an awesome ashwagandha.